Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. Most of us lose battles not in court, not at work, but in the kitchen or on Facebook and inside family group chats. You argue over the correct way to cook adobo, the proper route to take, or whether that news article is fake, and suddenly you are tired, hungry, and unfriended. You were right, yes, but now you are right and alone. Life teaches us that not every battle deserves your energy. Sometimes the smartest move is to smile, nod, and protect your peace. Let them believe that the TV remote is broken. Let them think that their method works. Peace is underrated. Silence is cheaper, and stress is expensive. Because at the end of the day, being right does not always give you joy, but choosing peace lets you sleep early and wake up without a headache. Thank you for watching.